Today, we are building a prime number checker program in Python using functions. So grab your Python editor and let's get started. We already know that a prime number is a number that only has two factors, 1 and itself, like 2, 3, 5 and so on. In this program, to check for prime numbers, we are going to define a function. Let's call it as prime number, and we will pass a num, which is a positive integer value, as a parameter. Now, first of all, we will check if the input value is less than or equal to 1. If it is, then we will return false. That means the value which is either equal to 1 or less than 1 cannot be considered as prime. Otherwise, for every positive integer value greater than 1, we will run a for loop in the range 2 to num minus 1. Here, last value num will not be included in the range function. So this for loop will run from 2 to num minus 1 only. Inside the loop, we will divide the input integer value with every number in the given range to check if we get remainder 0. That means if any number completely divides this input number, then it cannot be considered as prime, so we return false. Otherwise, if we exit the loop without finding any divisor, then we will return true, and that means that the input number is a prime number. Now that we have written our function definition, let's move on ahead with the heading of the program, prime number checker program. Now inside a try except block, we will ask the user to enter an integer value. So here is our prompt. Enter a positive integer value, and then we will store the result of whether the input value is a prime number or not inside the result variable. Here we will call prime number function with num as argument to the function. Then we will check if result is true, then we will print an f string which says num is a prime number. Else, if the result is false, then we will print the f string num is not prime. Finally, we will end the program by defining our except block. So except value error, we will print here an error message, invalid input. Please enter a positive integer value. Alright, with this we complete our program, and now let's run it. So here we get our header and we have to enter a positive integer value. So let's suppose I enter 3. 3 is a prime number. If I enter 30, then it is not prime. Let's also check a few more values. 11 is a prime number, and let's suppose I go for 86. It is not prime. So there you have it, a fully functioning prime number checker program. Here is your bonus challenge for the day. Modify the program to check all prime numbers up to a given number. Try it out and post your solutions in the comment section below. If this helped, then please like the video and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to Programming Horizons for more upcoming tutorials. See you tomorrow. Until then, happy coding!